I was born an intersex.
Nonyuola gi Chuech moruore.
And I'm happy to be an intersex.
Kendo mor bedo gi Chuech moruore.
Because it has given me
nikech osemiya
a deeper understanding
winjo matut
on how to handle each and every person, each and every being.
Kaka inyalo bet kod ji duto.
I understand well how women feels and how they should be.
Kendo kaka onego gibedi.
Because I am a woman.
Nikech an dhako.
I understand well what men are feeling.
Ang'eyo gima chuo winjo.
And how they should be even before God.
Kendo kaka onego gichal e nyim Nyasaye.
And this is why I can claim to be the best teacher of men and women.
Yes.
I want you to hear this. I am the best teacher. I claim to be the best teacher. Because I understand both. I know that God created man and a woman. And a man and a woman are two different people. They are different, very much different.
Yes.
Yes. I can say so because I understand what I'm saying. And I know I'm speaking out of experience. Precious be to God. Amen. The physical body of a woman is different from the physical body of a man. We must accept that.
I'm Darlan Rukih,
the bride of the Lamb.
Bride of the Lamb.
My mother is Marashan Raya seated there.
Mama wa Marashan Raya mubedoka.
I was born, on my journey with God began in the year 1975. I hope to die in God. I hope to die in God. Because I don't see anything to change me. I was born once, and I shall never be born again. I went through my youth stage. I shall never go back to you. I got into marriage with a precious lady called It is done. Now I have reached at my old stage, which my sister corrected me yesterday that don't accept. Because yes, life begins at 40. So yes, if life begins at 40, and I am now 46. So if I am 46, it means that I have 6 years old. So I'm very much young. Praises be to God. I was born an intersex. A person with 2 organs, of a female and a male.
Chwech mar miyo kod chwech mar dichuo.
Amen.
And I love to be an intersex.
Kendo
Now I want you to hear. I want you to get me. I want you to get me. Please. Thank you. Thank you. But I want you to hear now
adwa ni mondo winja maber
where I'm heading to.
kama chomo.
I was born an intersex.
Nonyuola gi chwech moruore
And I'm happy to be an intersex.
kendo mor bedo gi chwech moruore
Because it has given me
nikech osemiya
a deeper understanding
winjo matut
on how to handle each and every person, each and every being.
kaka inyalo bet kod ji duto.
I understand well how women feels and
Ang'eyo kaka
how
mon
they
winjo
should be.
kendo kaka onego gibedi
Because I am a woman.
nikech an dhako.
I understand well what men are feeling
Ang'eyo gima chwo winjo
and how they should be even before God.
kendo kaka onego gichal e nyim
And this is why I can claim to be the best teacher of men and women.
Because
I want you to hear this.
adwa ni winj ma.
I am the best teacher. I claim to be the best teacher.
Awacho ni an e japuonj
Because I
molony.
understand both.
Nikech ang'eyo ji duto.
I know that God created man and a woman.
Ang'eyo ni Nyasaye nochweyo dichuo kod dhako.
And a man and a woman are two different people.
Dichuo kod dhako
They are different. Very much different.
Yes.
Yes.
I can say so because I understand what I'm saying.
Anyalo wacho
And I
kamano nikech ang'eyo gima wacho.
I'm speaking out of experience.
Kendo awuoyo kuom lony.
Precious be to God. Amen. The physical body of a woman is different from the physical body of a man.
Ringruok
We
mar
must accept
dhako
that.
opogore gi ringruok mar dichuo nyaka wayie gi mano.
The inner man and the inner woman in a woman or in a man is also different.
Dhano ma iye
Yes.
mar dichuo gi mar dhako bo
I'm
opogore.
saying that I'm talking out of experience.
Awacho ni awuoyo kuom
The
lony.
heart of a man is different from the heart of a woman.
Yes.
Dhako
Yes.
opogore gi chuny dichuo.
The likes of a woman and the likes of a man are different.
Gik ma dichuo ohero opogore gi gik ma dichuo.
They don't like things similar.
Ok gihero gik machalre.
The mind
Paro
of a man
mar dichuo
and the mind of a woman different.
bende opogore.
The desires of a man and a woman differs.
Dwaro mar dichuo kod dhako.
Character of a man and a woman differs.
Kido mag dichuo gi dhako opogore.
Deeds of a man and a woman differs.
Timbe mag dhako gi dichuo opogore.
So a man and a woman are two different people.
Koro dichuo gi dhako gin ji ariyo mopogore.
Precious be to God. Amen. And if we want to handle a man,
To kako ridwa deal gi dichuo.
and again we want to handle a woman,
Kendo wadwa deal gi dhako.
we cannot handle these two people at the same time
Ok wanyal deal gi ji ariyo gi ka waruogi.
because they are different.
Nikech gipogore.
Women are delicate.
Mon gin chwech mang'aw.
Yes, but men are strong.
To otegno.
We can't put them together to fight.
Ok wanyal keto gi kanyakla mondo gidhaw.
Precious be to God. Amen. So this is why God sent me
Ma emomiyo Nyasaye nooro
to come and teach men
mondo abi apuonj chuo
on how they should conduct themselves here on earth.
kaka ginyalo dak e piny.
And God sent me to come and teach women on how they should live here on earth peacefully, to glorify the creation of God upon them. Because God created us in His own image.
Nyasaye nochwewa e kite.
And God wants men and women to glorify God as the way God had created them.
Nyasaye dwaro ni chuo gi mon omiye.
Praise be to God. And this is why when we are here,
Emomiyo ka wan ka
we must understand
nyaka wang'e.
who we are.
Yes. Ng'ama wan.
Then we must learn on how to handle ourselves
Kendo nyaka wang'e kaka
according to who we are.
bed kaluwore gi joma
Praise be to God. According to who you are.
kaluwore gi ng'ama in.
There is something there.
Nitie wach kanyo.
An intersex
Ng'at ma gi chwech moruwe.
is very much different. Very much different. Because they have different feelings.
Nikech gin gi winjo mopogore.
They are, he or she is a man combined with a woman.
En dichuo moriwore gi
So, if somebody claims or saying that he is an intersex or she is an intersex,
ka ng'ato wacho ni bende en gi
it
chwech
means that
moruwe.
this person is divided into two.
Nyiso ni ng'ani opog diriyo.
The mind is different, Mind of a man, sometimes the mind of a man comes. Sometimes the mind of a woman comes. Sometimes the likes of a woman comes. Sometimes the likes of a man comes. Sometimes the desire of a man comes. The desire of a woman comes. So they keep on changing. We can confirm that from my fellow intersex. I think you can understand from Darlan. Some people are not even understanding Darlan. Yes. Even in the near future, there was something happened to them. And I think because of misunderstanding. If you see her, many people say even where he's seated, see him as a he. Sometimes he has characters of a man. And you know who is a man? A man always wants to be bold. They don't need to be corrected. They want to be at the top all the time. That is the character of a man. So sometimes you might see Darlan having that character of being bold. And if you want to correct her just like a woman, why are you doing that? You also froze. You say, no, why? Well, why do you want to direct me like that? Because she feels like a man. Praises be to God. Amen. So when you try to humble him, he feels as if he is in a jail. He is in a bondage. He is not free. Praises be to God. Amen. And when you start to hit her, then she feels again like a woman. Crying up like a, why are you doing this to me? A lot of cries like a woman. So it means that she tries to humble herself because she feels like a woman. Because she is a woman. So an intersex is different. Praises be to God. Amen. Yes, it is so. So we know that we have men. Those are the creation of God. And we have women here now. And again we have the intersex. Why are you crying? You want to say something? Because I'm seeing shedding tears. What did I say? There are some people who want me to be one person, but I can say I'm very happy being an intersex. I accept the way God created me. So those people who doesn't want me to be the way I am, or the way they want me to be, it's God who created me in this nature. You as a human being who wants to change the will of God, you cannot. It's God who created me like this. You can't understand the will of God. So he who fights against something established by God, it's you. Amen. Yes. She has gone through many problems. She had tried even to kill herself. I didn't know her, but her mother brought her to me, give her some counseling, because I am also an intersex like her. The fourth gender. We have the fourth gender. We have women, men, intersex, and the fourth gender. Because intersex are the third gender. God had created people his own image. We must accept this. We must.
Yes.
No compromise. I have said that the body of the physical body of a woman is different from the body of a physical man. But I have said God can combine a man and a woman to become one thing. God has that. God can combine a man and a woman to one body. Praise be to God. So we have said physically we can identify that intersex has got a different organ and two organs different. And what about the physical, the inner man, the inner person in there? It's also different. This is what I'm trying to explain, that there are some women you may see her as a woman like this. But in her, the physical body is of a woman. But